Most drivers assume changing an air filter is a simple task. Remove the old one, drop in a new one, and they're done. But what if I told you that doing it the wrong way could actually reduce your engine's horsepower, lower fuel efficiency, and even shorten the life of your engine? It may sound unbelievable, but lab tests conducted on 30 modern engines, spanning brands like Toyota, Ford, and BMW, revealed that over 70% of drivers who replaced their own air filters actually made engine performance worse. And the surprising part is, it wasn't the filters themselves that were faulty, it was the way they were installed and maintained. Stick with me, because I'm going to show you the most common mistakes nearly every driver makes when dealing with air filters and reveal the simple professional tricks that tuners use to maintain optimal airflow without voiding warranties. First, it's important to understand how modern air filters function. Many people think that air filters exist simply to keep dust out of your engine, but in reality, they serve as precision airflow regulators. Modern filters, especially those in engines equipped with mass airflow sensors, MAF, are designed to balance filtration with airflow velocity. If the filter restricts airflow too much, it chokes the engine and reduces performance. On the other hand, too little filtration allows tiny abrasives to enter the engine, causing premature wear. Interestingly, a slightly used air filter can actually perform better than a brand new one. A thin layer of trapped dust can enhance the filter's efficiency by capturing additional particles, improving overall performance. In fact, controlled testing with identical vehicles showed that a 3,000-mile-old filter delivered the same horsepower and slightly better fuel economy than a brand new filter. This means that replacing your filter too early is not extra care, it is potentially wasted money and a missed opportunity to maintain optimum engine efficiency. One of the most common mistakes people make is installing the air filter backward. While it might seem too simple to be true, this is a very real problem in the real world. Air filters are directional. They have a specific front and back. Typically, one side of the filter is reinforced with a structural mesh or ribs to handle the pressure of incoming air. Installing it backward collapses the pleats, deforms the filter, and creates gaps along the edges. These gaps allow unfiltered air, dust, and debris to bypass the filter entirely, acting like tiny sandblasters on your intake manifold. According to a seasoned Ford technician, nearly 1 out of every 3 intake rebuilds he performs is caused by dust damage from improperly installed filters, not poor oil or neglect. To prevent this, always check the filter for directional arrows or airflow indicators. If none are visible, the side with the structural mesh should face the airflow. Taking the time to verify orientation can save your engine from serious damage down the line. Another significant issue is the use of oiled cotton performance filters without maintaining your sensors. These filters are popular for increasing airflow and improving throttle response, and while they deliver on that promise, they come with risks. The fine oil coating on these filters can release microscopic oil droplets into the intake system, which can accumulate on your mass airflow or MAF sensor. Once the MAF sensor is contaminated, it can no longer accurately measure incoming air. This leads the ECU to miscalculate the air-fuel ratio, causing symptoms like rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, or even triggering check engine lights. Toyota has even issued technical bulletins warning dealerships that damage to MAF sensors caused by oiled filters is not covered under warranty. For those using these high-flow filters, professional maintenance is essential. The MAF sensor should be cleaned every 6 to 10,000 miles using a dedicated sensor cleaner, never brake cleaner, WD-40, or compressed air. Neglecting this can transform a $60 upgrade into a $400 repair, a mistake that's far too common among DIY enthusiasts. A third mistake that most people overlook is neglecting the air box itself. The air box, the plastic housing that surrounds your filter, is designed to direct airflow efficiently, but it also accumulates dust and debris over time. Installing a new filter into a dirty air box immediately contaminates the fresh filter and compromises engine protection. Professional mechanics know to clean the air box before inserting a new filter, using either a shop vacuum or compressed air. According to Bosch maintenance studies, cleaning the airbox can extend filter life by 25 to 30%. Taking the extra minute to vacuum out dust, dirt, and sand ensures that your newly installed filter performs at its best, protecting the engine from abrasive particles and maintaining proper airflow. Sealing the filter correctly is another often overlooked step. Even a perfectly designed filter cannot protect your engine if it isn't seated properly. This is especially critical with modern snap-lid airboxes. If the rubber gasket isn't compressed evenly, air can leak around the edges, bypassing the filter entirely and entering the throttle body unfiltered. A veteran GM engineer once noted that he would rather see a dirty filter installed correctly than a clean filter installed incorrectly. The fix is simple. Before closing the lid, run your finger along the gasket to ensure it is fully seated and flush. If you notice any gaps or loose corners, open the lid and reseat the filter. This small check can prevent thousands of dollars in wear and tear over the life of your engine. Finally, many drivers neglect the cabin air filter, not realizing it also affects engine performance. A clogged cabin air filter increases resistance in the HVAC system, which in modern vehicles shares a partial vacuum with the intake system. This can lead to reduced airflow to the engine, causing idle instability and even inaccurate MAF readings. Hyundai has even noted in technical bulletins that neglecting cabin filters can directly impact engine performance in certain models. Replacing the cabin filter every 12 to 15,000 miles not only ensures cleaner air for passengers, but also maintains optimal airflow for the engine, demonstrating that even seemingly minor components play a crucial role in engine health. Understanding these common mistakes and the correct handling of your air filter can make a significant difference in your car's performance, efficiency, and longevity. From filter orientation to proper sensor maintenance, airbox cleaning, gasket inspection, and attention to the cabin filter, every step contributes to ensuring your engine breathes clean air and operates as designed. By avoiding these pitfalls, you are not just swapping a filter, you're preserving the heart of your engine, maintaining fuel efficiency, and preventing costly repairs in the future. A few simple minutes of care, attention, and knowledge can transform a routine maintenance task into a powerful tool for maximizing the lifespan and performance of your vehicle. Cleaning and maintaining your air filter is just the beginning. Knowing the right techniques and understanding your engine design can make a huge difference in airflow, throttle response, and overall performance. One of the most overlooked aspects is the method used to check whether a filter truly needs replacing. Professional mechanics rarely remove the filter unless necessary, because constantly taking it in and out can damage the seals and allow debris to enter the intake system. Instead, they use a bright flashlight to inspect it from behind. By shining light through the pleats, you can see whether the filter still allows air to pass. If you see a faint glow through the material, it's still good. If light cannot pass at all, it's time for replacement. This simple method avoids unnecessary handling and preserves both the filter and the intake system. Choosing the right type of filter for your driving style is equally important. Many drivers pick filters based on brand popularity or aesthetic appeal, but the type of filter must match your driving environment and engine needs. There are three main types commonly used in modern vehicles: paper cellulose filters, synthetic foam or fiber blend filters, and performance cotton or oiled filters. Paper filters are inexpensive, disposable, and highly efficient at trapping fine dust, making them ideal for urban or dusty driving conditions. Synthetic or foam blends offer better airflow while maintaining moderate filtration, suitable for mixed driving conditions. Performance cotton or oiled filters allow maximum airflow, often improving throttle response slightly, but require precise maintenance. Choosing the wrong filter for your environment can reduce efficiency and even stress sensitive engine components. Experts at K&N Engineering and Bosch Automotive consistently emphasize that there's no single best filter. The best choice depends entirely on your driving style, climate, and maintenance routine. Understanding your environment and usage ensures the filter delivers both performance and protection without creating unintended problems. While filters themselves are essential, the components surrounding them are equally critical. Many drivers unintentionally contaminate their mass airflow sensor by using harsh chemicals when cleaning the intake area. Brake cleaner, carb cleaner, or WD-40 may seem convenient, but they're far too aggressive. These substances can destroy the delicate platinum or nickel film on the MAF sensor, permanently corrupting its readings. Once damaged, the sensor must be replaced, often at a high cost. The safe alternative is a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner designed to evaporate instantly without leaving residue. A few sprays, 10 minutes of drying, and the sensor is ready to reinstall. This simple precaution can prevent hundreds of dollars in unnecessary repairs while ensuring your engine receives accurate airflow data, maintaining smooth performance and fuel efficiency. Reusable performance filters, such as those from K&N or AEM, require special attention. Cleaning them incorrectly can be worse than leaving them dirty, as aggressive handling or improper washing can push debris deeper into the filter media or damage its pleats. The correct procedure begins by gently tapping out loose debris and avoiding any impact or scrubbing. When applying cleaner, spray from the clean side outward to push dirt away from the filter rather than deeper in. Allow the filter to soak for around 10 minutes, then rinse carefully from the inside out with low-pressure water. Avoid heat or direct sunlight for drying, as excessive heat can warp the filter. Once dry, apply oil sparingly and evenly. Too much oil can coat sensitive sensors, including the MAF, and compromise engine performance. Done properly, a reusable filter can last up to 500,000 miles, essentially the lifespan of the vehicle, while maintaining optimal airflow and filtration.